All right, let's call the meeting to order. Can we please rise and pledge allegiance to the flag? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Roll call, please.
Post.
Here.
Underhill.
Here.
White.
Here.
Mike Black. Here. Zambito.
Here. Someone move to approve the minutes of the April 9th special town board meeting.
So moved.
Second.
Discussion. Roll call, please.
Did we want to do all of them minutes at once? Or
I could do all of them. Is there, I will open the motion for the April 16th regular town board meeting, the April 23rd special town board meeting, and the April 30th special town board meeting.
So moved.
Second.
Discussion. Roll call.
Mike Black.
Yes.
Underhill.
Yes.
Zambito.
Yes.
White.
Yes.
Post.
Yes. There are no speakers this evening. Resolution number 105. Sharon?
Accounting software maintenance agreement, Williamson Law Book Company. Resolved, the Batavia Town Board hereby authorizes the supervisor to execute the annual renewal accounting software maintenance agreement between the Town of Batavia and Williamson Law Book Company at a cost of $1,506 for 1 year, retroactive from May 1st, 2025 to April 28th, 2026, a copy of which is annexed hereto and made a part of the minutes. So moved.
Second.
Discussion. Roll call, please.
White.
Yes.
Zambito.
Yes.
Underhill.
Yes.
Mike Black.
Yes.
Post.
Yes. Resolution number 106. Dan?
Establishing standard workday and reporting resolution for elected and appointed official. Resolved that the Batavia Town Board here establishes the following standard workday for elected and appointed from the time of the attendance system, and will report the following days' work to the New York State and local employees. My freaking screen isn't big enough. And based on the record of activities maintained and submitted by the officials of the financial clerk as written. So moved.
Second.
Discussion. Roll call, please.
Underhill.
Yes.
White.
Yes.
Mike Black.
Yes.
Zambito.
I'll abstain since I'm in this resolution.
Okay. Post.
Yes. Resolution 107 to approve an assessment services agreement with the town of Bergen, whereas the town of Batavia, hereinafter Batavia, and the town of Bergen, hereinafter Bergen, pursuant to Article 5-G of the General Municipal Law, are authorized to enter into an intermunicipal cooperative agreement for the provision of assessment tax services, and whereas Batavia currently employs an individual fully qualified to provide the assessment services as required by law, as written. So moved.
Second.
Discussion. Roll call, please.
Post.
Yes.
Underhill.
Yes.
Mike Black.
Yes.
Zambito.
Yes.
White.
Yes.
Patty, resolution number 108.
Training workshop is all Batavia Town Board hereby authorized the following personnel to attend training workshops. Ashley Melnick, Enhance Your ERP, webinar April 16th. There was no cost for this training. Ashley Melnick, Learn Administrator webinar. There is no cost for this training. Keith Boheim, 2025 Municipal Boot Camp, session 4 and 5. It was April 24th, May 22nd. There is no cost for this training. Ray Tort, New York Association of Towns Highway School in Ithaca. The cost of training is $590. Greg Post, Land Use Alliance Training, Genesee Community College, June 18th, 24 and 25. There's no cost. Ashley Brownell, Greg Post, Andrew McGuire, June 11th. Cybersecurity Capability Workshop, June 11th. There's no cost. Ashley Brownell, Greg Post, Think Before You Click, Cyber Fundamentals for Your Municipality, webinar June 17th. There is no cost for this training. And Danielle Merritt, Laserfish Virtual User Workshop webinar, May 22nd. There is no cost for this training. So moved.
Second.
Discussion. Roll call, please.
Mike Black.
Yes.
Underhill.
Yes.
Zambito.
Yes.
White.
Yes.
Post.
Yes. Resolution number 109. Ted?
Borrowing and General Financial Services Agreement, Municipal Solutions, Inc. Whereas the current agreement with Municipal Solutions, Inc. for bond anticipation note borrowing long-term serial bond borrowing, and general financial services will be expiring April 30th, 2025. Whereas to continue this service with Municipal Solutions Inc. has submitted a proposal of services contract proposal attached. Now therefore be it resolved that the Batavia Town Board hereby authorizes the supervisor to execute the aforementioned contract between the Town of Batavia and Municipal Solutions Inc. for bond anticipation of borrowing, long-term serial bond borrowing, and general financial services, a copy of which is annexed here too and made part of the minutes, so moved.
Second.
Discussion. Roll call, please.
Zambito.
Yes.
Underhill.
Yes.
Mike
Yes.
White.
Yes.
Post.
Yes. Resolution number 110.
Resolution for number 1, authorization for representative to sign documents. Number 2, authorization and appropriation of local match for Town of Batavia, Brownfield Opportunity Area Pre-Planning Grant number C 1003078. Whereas the town has proposed to complete a Brownfield Opportunity Area pre-planning study, herein referred to as the project, administered by New York State Department of State in the Town of Batavia. Whereas the cost of completing the BOA pre-planning study is estimated at $172,500. And whereas the Town of Batavia has received a Brownfield Opportunity Area Pre-Planning Grant Award commitment in the amount of $155,250 to pay for a portion of the cost of completing pre-planning study. As written, so moved.
Second.
Discussion. Roll call, please.
White.
Yes.
Underhill.
Yes.
Mike Black.
Yes.
Zambito.
Yes.
Post.
Yes. Dan, resolution number 111.
A resolution to authorize emergency work on the Genesee Valley Agribusiness Park Forest Main. As written, so moved.
Second.
Discussion. Roll call, please.
Underhill.
Yes.
White.
Yes.
Mike Black.
Yes.
Zambito.
Yes.
Post.
Yes. Resolution number 112. Resolution to establish a 2025 budgetary line item titled Uniforms. Resolved, the Batavia Town Board hereby establishes the following line item to account for uniforms: A 9089.801, other employee benefits, uniforms. So moved.
Second.
This is for the recently hired building maintenance person who is not under highway or water sewer, so we had to have a line item established.
Damn, I
It's-
thought I was getting a uniform.
It's,
I thought I was getting a uniform.
You want one, Dan?
you are all not getting uniforms. The clerk is not getting uniforms. The press is not getting uniforms.
Darn.
Just a worker. Roll call, please.
Post.
Yes.
Underhill.
Yes.
Mike Black.
Yes.
Zambito.
Yes.
White.
Yes.
Resolution 113.
To approve a 2024 Code Enforcement Officer Services Agreement with the Village of Alexander. As written, so moved.
Second.
Discussion. Roll call, please.
Mike Black.
Yes.
White.
Yes.
Underhill.
Yes.
Zambito.
Yes.
Post.
Yes, resolution number 114.
To approve a 2025 Code Enforcement Officer Services Agreement with the Village of Alexander, as written, so moved.
Second.
Discussion. Roll call, please.
Zambito.
Yes.
Mike Black.
Yes.
White.
Yes.
Underhill.
Yes.
Post.
Yes. I just wanted to comment, Sharon, this is probably one of the only meetings I've attended where you didn't get, everybody did their full number of resolutions. Usually it falls short,
Yes.
and me, Patty, and Chad don't do as many as you and Dan do. But in this case,
It's
everybody
everybody.
had two
Even
resolutions. And
Steven.
Oh, perfect.
if you
There
can
you
just
go.
talk to the clerk and get 14, 21, 28, 35, then it'll be fairer than it has been to you and
Okay.
Dan. someone move to pay the bills?
So moved.
Second.
Discussion. Roll call, please.
Underhill.
Yes.
Mike
Yes.
Zambito.
Yes.
White.
Yes.
Post.
Yes. I don't have anything offering department reports this evening. Everybody's been too busy to generate reports. Everybody in the field and in engineering and in building codes and in the clerk's office and in the historical society's office. That should be the hysterical society. Everybody is really, really busy. And I have been promised reports for next month's meeting. My report is that the expenditures and revenues are available for your review. Do we have any thing from the town clerk?
We collected $15,354.50 in April. We remitted $15,034.27 to the supervisor for our local share. And that's it.
Any committee reports? Sharon, is there any old business?
No, none.
Chad, any new business?
Not even close.
Someone move to adjourn?
So moved. Second.
Roll call, please.
Mike
Yes.
Underhill.
Yes.
Zambito.
Yes.
White.
Yes.
Post.
Yes. And thank you all for the efforts leading up to this and for the time you spend on this.